Hello, it's Darion, aka Oybella, and in today's video I'm sharing with you guys this super cute braided ponytail. It's super quick and easy, and also, did I mention it's really cute? Let's just get started. Okay guys, so this tutorial is actually pretty simple, so I'm probably not going to talk throughout the majority of this, but I will pop in here and there to tell you guys like what I'm doing and how I'm sort of doing things. So anyway, this is what we're starting with. I have washed, conditioned, deep conditioned, and everything else with my hair. And now what I'm doing here is just flat ironing it. So what I was trying to do in this particular moment was get my hair as straight as I possibly could. I was actually not going to do this braided ponytail at first. I was going to do just like a regular ponytail with like bundles or whatnot, but that didn't really go well. So anyway, I'm getting my hair super straight and just flat ironing everything. So when we're done flat ironing, I will come back and we will talk about what is next. Okay, so like this is super random, but I just have to say this. Does anyone else's hair just not grow evenly? Like the top of my head, that hair grows so much slower than the back half, and I don't understand it. It has always been this way, and I'm just so confused. So, help. Please, like what am I doing wrong? I don't understand. I'm so confused. Alright, so at this point my hair is all flat ironed out, and now what we're going to start doing is creating the ponytail. So for me, I figured the best way to do this would be to split my ponytail into two sections. So I'm doing a front half and a back half. So splitting that up. And then what we're going to do is take some spritz. You can use pretty much anything that's going to like mold your hair down and get it like sleek and straight and stuck. Use whatever. I decided to use spritz because that's really all I had. So yeah, I'm just gonna comb it up. I'm gonna spritz it, and then I'm going to sweep it up like with my hand and just hold it like really tight and blow dry it. So that is what I'm doing for the entire back half. And also I want to mention that I'm doing this in sections, even though it looks like I'm kind of doing it like all at once. I'm just spraying like one part of my hair, swooping it up, blow drying that part, and then doing the same thing to the other parts of my head. Just put it up, okay? Dang. It's not that hard. You'll figure it out. Since my hair is pretty short, this for me is just the best way for me to get all of my hair up into the ponytail. My hair can go up in the ponytail without doing all these extra steps, but if I want something that's really sleek and, you know, just real sleek, this is the way that I have to do it. So anyway, we're doing the same thing to the top, brushing it back, spritzing, brushing it, blow drying, etc. Very simple, like I said. And I'm saying this is so simple and whatnot, but really my arms were hurting. Whenever I do a ponytail or anything that has to do with my hair, I'm not even joking, my arms are on fire every single time. So yes, this is kind of like a really simple tutorial. You're just putting your hair in a ponytail. It hurts. It hurts a lot. My arms be giving up, child. They be giving up. That's okay. So as you guys can see here, I'm trying to like braid my little ponytail and get it ready for like the straight bundles, but that wasn't working out. I completely forgot how I used to do it. So yeah. Anyway, we're just grabbing this Kanekalon hair, and I picked up two of the like bundles, put them together, and now I'm attaching it onto my head. So to attach these two bundles, what I'm doing is I split them in half, and then you guys can't see it, but the other half that's in front of my face, I put that between my legs, and I literally just clamp my legs together so that I could tie the rest of the bundle onto my hair with an elastic band. It's kind of tricky to explain, but hopefully you guys can see and tell what I'm doing by watching instead of listening to me ramble and say nonsense. I'm not gonna lie, this part's a little bit tricky, but it's also kind of really simple. It's just a little tricky. You gotta kind of get used to it and not stress. So anyway, after that's done, you can flip the other part that you had between your legs. You can flip it over, and now you have a cute little ponytail. So doing the braid this way just makes it so that it looks more natural, like the hair is actually coming out of your head versus like it's sitting on top of your head and you're trying to make it work. Does that make sense? Please let me know. Please. Anyway, what I'm doing now is I took a little piece of the hair from the back of the ponytail and just popped it into my mouth to make sure that it's all sectioned off and I don't lose it. And then I'm going to start by braiding down the braid or the hair. You know what I mean. I'm braiding. While you're doing this, you just want to make sure that you're getting rid of any tangles. You kind of want to move a little bit slow just to make sure that there's no like weird lumps or bumps or your hair is coming out. And yeah, that's pretty much it. And after you do that, you can then use your spritz again and pop that onto that little piece that we took out so that when you wrap it, it's nice and flat and there's no like weird flyaway hairs or anything like that going on. Now, I completely forgot to mention that I sectioned off some hair in the front so that I can make like some little swoops and whatnot. So do that if you want. And at this point, I'm taking some edge factor and just popping that onto the hair that I took out and then creating my little swoops. This took quite some time because I was really trying to make sure that they were like really, really cute and just real like swoopy, you know? I don't know. But anyway, that's what I did. And of course, you don't have to make swoops and edges and all that stuff. I didn't really do anything crazy. I just personally like it for me. I feel like it just sort of finishes off the look. And also my forehead's pretty big. So I feel like it just kind of camouflages some of the surface area. You know what I mean? So yeah. after you do all your little swoopy swoops and whatnot, you are all done, and this is the finished product. It's so cute. And here I am with my makeup and everything on, and I just feel so cute. I love doing ponytails. I've done so many within the last 2 or 3 years, and they're literally my favorite hairstyle ever. I don't know why I've never shown you guys this on YouTube, because I do it all the time. Here we are now. It's super cute and I love it. Anyway, if you guys enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, like, comment, all that stuff. I definitely want to do a whole lot more hair videos and makeup and all that stuff. You guys know me. I mean, never mind. Anyway, I will see you guys in my next video. I'm trying to get an upload schedule together, but don't hold me to nothing yet. Just know I'm here, okay? Anyway, I'll talk to you later. Bye.